Welcome to Antelope Canyon, where stunning landscapes and adrenaline-pumping activities collide. You won't believe what's in store. Imagine stepping into a world of vibrant colors, where the sky meets the earth in a dazzling display of natural artistry. That's exactly what you'll find at the Antelope Canyon in Arizona, USA. This slot canyon is a mesmerizing masterpiece carved by wind and water, with twisting passageways and sandstone walls that seem to glow in shades of red and orange. The interplay of light and shadow creates a surreal, almost dreamlike atmosphere that photographers and nature enthusiasts flock to witness. Join us as we venture into the heart of Antelope Canyon, capturing its enchanting beauty and sharing the secrets of this iconic destination. Get ready to